Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to clean the bird shit of your car. As you can see on my car, on my Hilux, I stopped under a tree and the bird has made some business on my car, and you have to be really careful not to scratch your car because the bird's poo has some sand and acid on it. It's very hard, doesn't come off easy. So I'll be showing you how to clean it. You'll need one of these ones. It's called Bagger Off. As you can see, you can get from any auto sellers, parts and everything. What you will do, just grab this one and spray on it. Don't try to clean unless it is coming off by itself. Just spray a few times so it is soft, and then use a clean rag to clean it off slowly. Don't rush, just slowly. If you rush, you will scratch your car and it will damage your paint. As you can see, it's becoming soft. It's coming off myself now. Spray a few times, then grab a rock, slowly from the bottom, go up. As you can see, without any making harm to your car, just easy as that. And same as here, got a few more here. Just spray on it a few times. Don't rush, just leave it until it's really soft. Just use this one, just Bagger Off. Spray a few times, just leave it like this. Again, you grab a clean rag. Very easily coming off without harming and damaging your car. A few more times. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day.